Hi guys! Welcome sa Sip9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on quadratic equations. And bago natin puntahan yung susunod na lesson ay gusto ko lang isingit itong isang set ng examples of the form x plus p quantity squared is equal to q. Now, the reason I included these examples is because they are very similar to the extracting the square root, no? And in fact, if we let x plus p be equal to a, yung form na ito ay exactly the same form as the previous videos, no? The examples in the previous videos. Okay, so tingnan natin kung paano ba natin i-solve yung mga ganitong klase ng problems. For example, x plus 2 quantity squared is equal to 64. No? So if we extract the square root of both sides, no? Ang square root ng x plus 2 quantity squared is x plus 2. And ang square root ng 64 ay plus minus square root of 64 muna. No? And we have x plus 2 equals plus minus 8, di ba? Kasi ang square ng 64 ay 8. Which means that x is equal to 2 plus, negative 2 plus minus 8, no? So, pag-iwalayin natin, ibig sabihin nito, x is equal to negative 2 plus 8, which is equal to 6. And x is equal to negative 2 minus 8, which is equal to negative 10. So, the roots are 6 and negative 10. So, kung gusto nyo isulat sa set notation, no, minsan sinusulat ito sa set notation, pwede nyo ilagay na 6 tsaka negative 10. Okay? For number 2, we have x plus 5 squared minus 4 is equal to 0. So, x plus 5 squared is equal to 4, di ba? If we add 4 to both sides. And getting the square root, we have x plus 5 is equal to plus minus square root of 4. And we know that the square root of 4 is 2, so which means that x plus 5 is equal to plus minus 2. And x is equal to negative 5, no? Pag nag-subtract tayo ng 5 both sides, we have negative 5 plus minus 2, which means that x equals negative 5 plus 2, which is equal to negative 3. And x is also equal to negative 5 minus 2, which is equal to negative 7. So, the solutions, no? Solutions are x equals negative 3 and x is equal to negative 7. Alright, so last example, x minus 3. Siguro yung minus 3 na lang natin ito, no? Kasi puro plus yung nandito, no? Oo, puro plus nga. So, x minus 3 naman tayo dito. X minus 3 quantity squared is equal to 7. And getting the square root of both sides, x minus 3 equals plus minus square root of 7. And square root of 7 cannot be simplified. So, ayan na siya. Which means that x is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 7. So, nag-add lang ako ng 3 to both sides. Kaya nakuha natin yung x, ay yung 3 plus minus square root of 7. Which means na yung x natin can be 3 plus square root of 7, and also x is 3 minus square root of 7. Alright, so bakit natin kailangan to? Because we will be discussing completing the square in the next tutorials, and kakailanganin natin yung pag-solve ng ganitong klase ng quadratic equations. That's it. Maraming salamat. Sana ay may natutunan kayong bago. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.